Hello. Today we'll be going over setting up a new support file that you can send to us when you run into an issue with your software. To do so, you can either type in at this screen SUP and press enter, or you can go under the help and then create support file. You have to make sure the VDM file in question is open and is most recently saved. Create support file, press the create support zip button. Choose a folder location to save the file in. File is created. We then browse to that file location, and you can see that you have various ones here possibly. You'll notice there's no file extension. Does not need to be one. There are files inside of here that most email servers will not send. So what you'll have to do is take this file and upload it to the link that was provided in the documents for customer support files. Or if you have a Dropbox or a lead transfer or anything like that, you can upload it to your own transfer software and then send us the link to download. Thank you and have a good day.